What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's age it is more important than ever to look good in pictures. Especially in your dating life, it can be a huge advantage if you have pictures where you look your best. And even if you're meeting new people in real life, they're still checking your socials and your pictures as well. That's why you should upgrade your photo game to the next level to simply show yourself from your best side. And no worries, I will help you with it step by step. And don't come up with excuses that you're not photogenic enough, because that is just a lie. I always thought that about myself and never wanted to take some pictures until I learned how to position myself in the right way and what really counts for making good pictures. So basically you just need to learn how to be more photogenic. And that's why I created today's video, to show you 7 hacks that you can use in order to look your best on photos. They will work with a 100% guarantee, so let's hop into it. The first hack is simply focus on your posture. You already know that the right posture will instantly make you look more confident, more muscular and taller as well. And actually the same applies to photos. So step number 1, in order to be more photogenic, you need to have the right posture. Keep your head and chin up, your shoulders back and your chest out. This will instantly make you 10 times better looking in real life and on photos as well. Let's continue with number 2, know your best looking face side. Most of us have a face side that looks better than the other one. If you already know your better looking face side, try to position yourself on photos in a way that this face side is on focus. It is a very easy but still very effective way on how you can instantly become more photogenic. And it will always look better than just looking straight into the camera. By the way, if you don't know your better looking face side yet, simply take some selfies from different angles and review what looks best. And you can also ask your friends about that. Let's continue with number 3, practice the right face expression. You don't want to look serious all the time, maybe practice a lightweight smile. One great hack in order to make your smile look more natural is by pushing your tongue against your teeth, as it will simply help you to make your face look more relaxed. Alright, let's continue with number 4, don't blink. In order to become more photogenic, especially when other people take photos of you, is simply to learn to stop blinking before the camera flash goes on. Be mentally prepared for taking a picture so you can look your best in the right moment. And you will exactly know when to blink and when not to blink. This will definitely help you to never have your eyes closed or in a weird position on any photo. And last but not least, focus on good lighting. Especially if you want to take some pictures for your socials. The lighting must be perfect. If you want to take some pictures outside, I would definitely recommend it to do it either in the morning before 12 PM or in the evening before the sun goes down. Because the light will be much softer and create a natural glow on your face. And also always make sure that you face the light. Very important, otherwise you will have some ugly shadows on your face or the background will be way too bright. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my hacks that you can use in order to look more photogenic. I hope I could help you out today. Also guys, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.